In modern manufacturing, the CNC machine plays a vital role in achieving precision and efficiency. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which means the machine is operated through programmed computer instructions. Unlike traditional machines that require manual control, CNC machines work automatically. First, a design is created using CAD software. Then, the design is converted into a code known as G-code, which tells the machine how to move, cut, and shape the material. CNC machines are widely used in industries such as woodworking, metalworking, automotive, and aerospace. They can cut wood, shape metal, drill holes, and even create complex 3D designs with high accuracy. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is precision. These machines can produce the same part multiple times with exact measurements. This reduces human error and ensures consistent quality in production. There are several types of CNC machines, including CNC routers, CNC milling machines, CNC lathes, and plasma cutters. Each type is designed for specific tasks. For example, CNC routers are commonly used for wood cutting and engraving, while CNC milling machines are ideal for shaping metal parts. Another important benefit is efficiency. CNC machines can run continuously for long hours without getting tired. This increases productivity and reduces production time. It also lowers labor costs because fewer operators are needed. Safety is another key advantage. Since most of the process is automated, the operator does not need to directly handle cutting tools, reducing the risk of accidents. In woodworking, CNC machines are used to create furniture, decorative panels, doors, and detailed carvings. The smooth finish and intricate designs produced by CNC machines are difficult to achieve manually. However, proper training is necessary to operate a CNC machine effectively. Operators need to understand programming, machine setup, and maintenance to ensure the best performance.